Someone said 70, 20, 10. Why?
Wording is important.
Word is very important.
We are talking about period. Wording is important. So important. Write that prior table.
70% word. Okay. Why? Equal. All three are equal.
Three is very important. Three is very important.
All the three are equally important. Okay, let's look at research figures. What's the research figure? Word is just 7%. Rest of the communication is 93%. That is non-verbal. 35% is 38% is tone. How you say it. And 55% clean sweep, body language. How you look when you say something. Let me share a small experience that I had in my, when I was a teenager. I used to see this ad. Ravalgun chocolate. I don't know if it is available now. It used to be there. The ad used to come on television. Okay? One lady. The camera is focusing on a lady. This lady is actually, standing behind a curtain. There's a curtain and she is just showing her face. And she's looking at the camera. Okay? And she's saying, Shadi? Aaj tumse? Kabhi nahi. Now, Ravalgun Chilao. Okay? So Ravalgun chocolate is coming, it's there in the camera. Next shot. She is here and she is biting that thing. Shadi? Aaj tumse? Kabhi nahi. Same word. What's the meaning of the first situation? What's the meaning of the second? First scene. Same word, right? Same word. What's the meaning of the first scene? I know, but what's the meaning?
It's the tone you avoid. First is he hates the.
I hate you. I hate you. Clear.
Yes.
Second one?
But partially accepted.
Same word. Tone and body language made it completely different. Isn't it?
Yes.
So, this research is the right figure. The way you, how you speak and how you look when you speak, it completely takes over your communication. So, non-verbal communication is 93% important in our communication. How you look at someone when you are saying that, when someone comes and says I had this problem and I could not come on time because I was late because I had some problem. I know. Move on. What do you say? I don't care. I don't care you as a. On the contrary, you pay attention and say, oh, is it? What happened to you? Oh, is it? Be careful. Now you are trying to understand. That's a non-verbal communication you are giving to other person. That you care or you don't care. So this is a pictorial representation of the same thing. So facial expression, gesture, and the posture. All this shows how confident you are or how you are not confident. We'll see what are the positive body language factors. Again, verbal, the tone. More important than what is said is how it is said. It will make a huge difference to your communication. Positive non-verbal communication, smiling. There's nothing like a smile. Maintaining eye contact. And of course your grooming. How you have groomed yourself, how you have dressed up. Shaking hands. So we look at all this in detail. Shaking hands. How do we shake hands? Okay? Now, normally when you shake hands, like for example, let's say I'm shaking hands with this, my hand goes on top, that shows that I am in control. I am superior to you. If my hand goes below his, he is in control. This is the way of, this research on handshake I have seen. There was a documentary on body language presented by Discovery Channel. Right? They did 1 hour, there was a documentary on this subject. They showed world leaders, George Bush, top world leaders, how they try to use their body language to show, their superiority, or the comfort level, or the lack of the discomfort level. Okay, so handshake to show whether you are in control or you are not in control. Now, the best way to shake hands with a person is straight. This is equal. You are equal, I am equal. Similarly, you have to lock it here. Okay, we'll see negative handshake and positive handshake. Let's look at the negative handshake first. Two kinds of negative handshake. One is the dead fish handshake. You know what is a dead fish handshake? Give me a hand.
Active around.
What do you feel? There's no warmth at all. Right? I mean, normally we are supposed to give like this. I'm showing warmth. Okay, that means, okay, I like meeting you. If I'm giving you something, how are you? Dead. Like you feel as if the person is cold, is dead. He doesn't like to meet up with you. That's the meaning. He doesn't want to meet you, doesn't like you. Or he considers, who are you? Superiority. So it's not a positive handshake. Similarly, some people will take your hand and they'll break your hand. And especially they will wear all rings here. 5 rings. Right? Or 4 rings at least. And they'll literally break your bones. Both are negative. Negative handshake. You cannot give dead fish handshake, you cannot be showing aggression. Right? Just enough warmth, and you have to meet here. And 1, 2, 3, shake, max. Eye contact. Now where do I look at the other person? Right? So you have something called as business gaze and social gaze. Right? Now we are not going to talk about girlfriend boyfriend looks, the love look, no, love gaze. No, we are not talking about love gaze. That is like you will get inside, deep inside the other person's eyes, into the soul of the other person. No, I am not talking about that. Right? I am sure that everyone knows, because that is there by nature. You will get it. But this is something which is professional that I can share with you. Business gaze. Business gaze is eye to eye and a triangle area between eye to eye and your forehead. That's called a business gaze. Business gaze meaning colleagues, clients, when you go for interviews, when you go for official, when you're going to meet your boss, that's official gaze. A business gaze. Eye to eye and the forehead. That's the area that you focus on. Right? Second is social gaze. Social gaze is family and friends. Now this can be the triangle area below the eyelid. Eye to eye and the upper lip portion. Eye to eye and the upper lip portion. The triangle area you can touch with your friends and family. This is eye contact. But eye contact is a must. If you are not meeting the eye of the person, what are you trying to communicate? If you are not looking at, if you are talking to someone and that person is not looking, is not maintaining eye contact with you, he is avoiding eye contact. No idea? Okay, next go back to our college days. Right? We college days are +1, +2, right?